What's up, YouTube? It's Jay with the Thrifty Flamingo, and we went sourcing. And today I'm going to do a men's haul video for you. And if you stick around to the end of the video, I'm going to show you one item that you can buy for under $10 that you can potentially flip for $75 to $85. It's an awesome potential money maker, so stick around for that. First off, welcome to our channel. If you're new here, consider subscribing. We talk a lot about reselling and Poshmark in general. And if you're coming back to our channel for the first time, welcome back. So with that being said, let's jump right into the haul. I'm going to start with the jeans today. I got about 10 pairs of jeans from our local thrift store. And I found some really solid jeans today. So let's start with these 7 for All Mankind. You guys know I love 7 for All Mankind. These are the Slimmy. They're a good solid cross between a skinny jean and a slim jean. So they're very trendy and on trend right now. And I picked everything we picked up today. We picked up for about $7.75. 7 for All Mankind, I'm getting around $35 to $45 for. Next, we've got DL 1961 Cooper Relaxed Skinnies. These sell really well for me. These DL 1961s and these jeans in general. And I've sold Cooper Relaxed Skinnies before. These will sell for a good $45, $50 if I'm lucky. These are interesting. I picked these up. They're a trendy color. I sold this color before. These are Buffalo David Bitten 6X Slim Straight Stretch Jeans. These are at 33, 32, so they're a good, decent size. And the color, it's a popular color that will sell, so they're pretty solid. And I do well with Buffalo jeans in my closet. They sell pretty decently for me. Next up is Nua tags. I love Nua tags. When you find Nua tags in the thrift store, you just do a little dance, don't you? It's just awesome when you find Nua tags. And these are like the cream of the crop Nua tags. These are Vineyard Vines, brand Nua tags, never been worn. Dress corduroys. They sell for retail for about $100. I'm going to list these at $85 and see what happens. They have a unfinished hem, so they're made to be altered. So they're going to be a little bit lengthy of a pant. And they have an unfinished hem, so they're made for altering to fit you perfectly. They're really cool. Next, we got more Buffalo. We got a plain pair of Buffalo King X jeans. These are slim boot stretch jeans. They all Buffaloes have these really cool back pockets. They got this really awesome design. They usually have a metallic buffalo right there or somewhere on the jeans. Their back patches are spelled out with metallic buffalo. They're really just solid jeans. They're really good for resale. People love them, so I pick these up when I can find them and find them for a good price. These were a really good find. These are a little smaller though. What size are these? These are a 33. Actually, they're not as small as I thought they were. 7 for All Mankind A pockets. A pockets sell really well. I usually list my A pockets for around $105. They will sell a little bit better than regular 7 for All Mankind jeans. They're gonna sell at a higher price point because they're more sought after. So definitely look out for A pockets. You can tell by the A on the back pocket. That's what you're looking for. And last but not least is Joe's jeans. These are, I didn't find a style on these. Let me see if I can find them real quick. There's no style on these jeans. They're they look like straight leg jeans. They're Joe's jeans does pretty well for me in my men's closet. Joe's jeans does well for men in general. In fact, I just sold a pair of Joe's jeans, the Rebels, the other day for $75. No offer, full price. So that's a good. Consider picking up Joe's jeans if you can find them. They're a good pickup. So they're a good sale. All right, so let's jump into sweaters and polos. Now it is getting close to spring, so I started picking up polos. I have been sourcing for mostly button downs and sweaters for the top areas for the winter. I'm moving over towards polos now, and I want to start sprinkling them in. The first one I got is a simple striped Lacoste Polo. Lacoste has been doing really well for me lately. There it is again. It's gray striped. It is a size 6, which equates to about a large, extra large in men's for Lacoste. You know, they have those weird sizings on their shirts, the French sizing and all that, so it's different. But they equate to about a large to extra large. We're going to go through these real quick because I got a lot of these. These are just standard polos with the pony. They'll sell for $35. $25 to $35, depending on what you price them at. And they're very simple. This one's a little different. It's got the zipper instead of the button. We got another polo right here. I love picking up polos. They just sell. This is a long sleeve polo, so I still have a few winter left, an XXL, so that's going to sell. That's a good size. The plus sizes always sell really well. I got another polo, new with tags, another plus size. This is big and tall. Look how long that is. It's got the multi-color stitch pony on it. It is, I believe this is Pima cotton, which is a really nice, soft touch cotton. And it is new with tags, so this should bring me a good amount of money. I'm excited for this one. Got another polo. Just a plain green with the pony. Again, these are bread and butter for the spring and fall. This one might sell for a little more. These are this is Brooks Brothers. Brooks Brothers with the buffalo on it. This will probably sell for around 40 bucks, 45 bucks. I do well with Brooks Brothers in my closet as well. Their sweaters do really well for me, but their regular clothes have been doing well lately too. So this is really cool. I believe this is vintage. Now this still has the crest on it, the Tommy crest. It's a Tommy Hilfiger polo. I think it's vintage. I got to do a little more research into it to find out. But from what I recall, they stopped doing the crest and went to the flag more recently. So when you see the crest on a Tommy shirt, there's a good chance it's going to be a vintage from the 90s kind of shirt. So you want to do a little more research into that, because if it's vintage, you can price it a little higher. Tommy sells well. This is a multicolored striped Tommy Hilfiger polo. So this is what you're kind of looking for. You want to find the funky stripes and the multicolors and all that with Tommy. Those will sell really well. So anything loud and colorful with Tommy Hilfiger, and especially vintage, is going to sell good for men. That's what you look for when you go out for Tommy Hilfiger. So the vintage stuff does pretty well. I found a Tommy Bahama polo. It's got a ribbing to it. It's a little heavier. Let me see if I can find out what this is made of. This is out 70% silk and 30% cotton. So you can feel the silk to it. It's definitely smoother than a cotton, and it's got a really good quality feel to it. So this is another decent polo, which I can hope to get a decent amount of money for. Not sure what I'm going to price that up yet. I got to do some comps on it. This is a Ralph Lauren made in Italy polo. This is really sweet. This is a Ralph Lauren. This isn't a regular polo. This is a branded Ralph Lauren. No polo by Ralph Lauren. This is a high-end brand made in Italy. It's a large. It's just a simple plain polo, but it's really getting me a little excited. I think we can sell this for some decent money. I'm going to do some more comps on this brand too, because this is something I'm not too familiar with. The plain old Ralph Lauren brand. I could be wrong, but I'm pretty sure since it is just a plain Ralph Lauren brand, that is going to be worth more than the regular polo shirt. And I'll let you know later on if I find that to be true or not. Another simple polo. This was at the bottom of my pile. Just a purple or maroon polo with the pony on it. Really cheap. Can get you about 20 to 30 bucks, so it's worth it. And one more polo, and that's the last polo we got. Just another solid red with the pony. Very simple, bread and butter. Gotta have them. They sell well. Pick them up if you can. And I'm sure you can find these all over the place. Next, we'll move on to the very few sweaters that I got today. I didn't get too many sweaters because I still have a collection of sweaters left to list. I have about 10 sweaters in my dead pile that I got to list, so I didn't get too many, but I did find a few decent sweaters today. So this one is Vineyard Vines. Where's the whale? Where's the whale? Let me see if I can find it. I know he's here somewhere. Well, I'll take my word for it. There's a whale on this sweater somewhere. I saw it in the store. But it's Vineyard Vines. It's a zip-up sweater. Very simple. But Vineyard Vines does well for me, so I picked it up. Sorry, I'm covering my face here while I fold. Then I got a polo quilted cable knit sweater. Polo sweaters do pretty solid for me. I list them for about 85. I'll take 45 to 50 for them, and they will sell for that. Last sweater of the bunch is the Tommy Hilfiger green striped sweater. This one has the flag on it, so I don't think it's vintage, but it is a really solid, nice sweater. I've been listing my sweaters most of the time for $75 to $85 now, and I'll probably take another 45 to 35 on this, so not bad. All right, so we are through that haul, but I promised you guys, I saved the best for last. I promised you that item that you can find for under $10 most of the time, that you're going to be able to flip for 75, 85 bucks plus. And here they come. And I found two of them today, so that's pretty awesome. And they are diesel jeans. Who would have thunk it, right? Diesel jeans. The thrift stores just haven't caught on to diesel yet. They sell really well. Like, I had a pair of diesels I bought last week that I put in my closet. And a day later, they sold for 75 bucks. Full price, no offer, just sold right out the door. It's just something about Diesel. They're really good quality jeans. They're made well. And they're not Seven for All Mankind, Adriana Goldschmied, DL 1961. The brands that the thrift stores know and mark up, they're not those brands quite yet. It's not on their radar. I don't know why, but it just isn't. So you can still find these for $10 and under. And when you do, pick them up. These are the Viker. Diesels always have such a weird name for their jeans. They just have a random weird name. And this one is no exception there. It's got the leather Diesel tag with the metal Diesel spelling. It's got unique back pockets, the Diesel industry stripe across the pocket, and they are a 33-32. These are really good jeans. I'm going to list these at 105 and see what happens. And the last pair of Diesel jeans are really unique. I've never found a pair of Diesel jeans quite like this. They are called the Yorick. They are 34-33, and take a look at these jeans. They're awesome. Look at the back pockets. They got this crazy design embroidered on the back pocket. They got a zipper to the back pocket, so it's not a regular pocket. They're zipper back pockets. That's really unique and cool. It's got the Diesel patch with just the logo, not the Diesel spelled out, and it's actually sewn underneath the hem of the jeans, so it's sewn in there, and it's really unique. I've never found a pair of Diesels like that before, and I'm hoping that these are something special. Got the Diesel industry tag right on the front pocket, and that's the special item that you can find for $10 or less and flip for 75 to 85 plus, depending on if you price right. So that was our haul for today. That's going to do it for me today, guys. If you've enjoyed this video and it's helped you out, definitely hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel. And if you haven't done so already, we got an email list. Click that first link in the description. It's going to get you on our email list. You'll get a free 6-part Poshmark workshop sent right to your email, showing you how we run a full-time Poshmark business out of our home and how we pay the bills with Poshmark and eBay. So check that out. It's a great free workshop, and it comes right to your email inbox every day for 6 days if you sign up for our email list. Click the first link in the description. We'll send you those emails out. You'll love them. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and you guys have a great day, and I'll see you next time.